Let's go fish from Hasbro. Got only 6 players. Ugh.
I don't think the boat's that famous.
No, people don't play naval that much. But it's funny because you get to fish in giant naval vessels. And by fish, I mean big gun.
Big gun.
Uh-oh, we got a late spawn. That's not good. That's never fun. Have fun figuring out learning how to boat.
Okay.
Because aiming is pain.
I can use bombers. Secondary weapons, 120
right spawn
millimeter
is what I
gun,
took.
40 millimeter gun. Jesus,
Yeah, like gun.
I swear to God.
Welcome to naval.
Okay. 1Q space. I'm guessing Q is an underwater torpedo, I think?
Yeah, Q is torps.
Okay.
Bam! Hey, Ashton, you want to turn before you fucking ram me? Look at you go, you're natural boating.
Oh my god, Look at that little green circle filling up.
Oh, that's where you want to shoot. That's where you want to genuinely aim to hit them. I think you know naval matches do take a little while. Do you fire a torpedo?
What?
Did you fire a torpedo?
I think I did.
That shit's not gonna hit, there's a rock in the way.
Oh.
I'm gonna get into close quarters with my naval ship. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna shoot you, alright? You mind if I just blast you real quick?
Shoot me.
I just did. Oh, there's a snake bug on my hand. How the fuck did he get here? You bastard. Yeah, so Warthunder's just goofy shenanigans with the boys.
How the fuck do I use the torpedo and the...
Have you seen the face on my boat yet?
No, I've just been shooting at the people over that way.
Hey, look at my boat. Look at the front end of my boat.
I don't see it.
Do you not see the decals on it?
No.
Are you looking at the front end?
Yep.
Shit. It's like... It's very, let's say... It's got 2 eyes and mouth. But it's like... horny.
Oh,
Like it's trying to collect some milk, let's say. Yeah, if you hit shift, that's your, sight.
Oh, fucking hell.
Zoom. Welcome to your Zoom call. I want to listen to Soviet Trumpeter now. That song's stuck in my head.
I hit him?
Volley the shells at them. Make sure they can't boat anymore.
Okay, I think I figured out how to do this now.
Do I have no guns that can aim? What? Oh, I got him. Oh, that's why I can't turn this grafted in my face. Get HMS Grafton.
Oh shit, he's
Learn
coming
to
like
drive,
right
bozo.
at me.
Learn to drive, hippie. Wendigo Actual is his name, nice. I approve of this guy's name. Why am I going full back? No.
Vessel repairs, please.
Getting destroyed by torps.
Yep.
You should have seen last week. They had
I'm
submarines.
sinking. Oh shit!
You better turn on your bilge pumps.
Stop shooting me! Well, I'm fucked.
Right. Oh my god. Yeah, you're still on fire somehow.
Yeah, how do I shoot the torpedo?
You probably can't now because your torpedoes are probably destroyed. I think I can help you repair.
Oh, wait. Mew. I can shoot torpedoes still. What's Q do? I don't know what that is.
I'm coming. I think I can help you repair if I get over there.
I'm sorry. I'm fucking up and running again.
Don't die. Don't die.
God,
I'm on my way.
Stop shooting me. He keeps making me have to fucking repair.
I killed the barker. Don't worry.
I'm somehow still running myself to be alive.
Do you have a bilge pump?
Oh my fucking god, I am alive.
The little like circle with the blue inside of it.
Yeah, I just used one of those actually.
Put out that fire before you die. Fire should be your top priority unless you're sinking.
Yeah, I think. Oh, I drowned.
Oh, the barker got you.
God, that took me some time to die. Anyways, how the hell do I use these? I'm gonna guess space, actually. I wasn't using space at all. Oh, wait. No, that's... How do I shoot the miniguns, then? Wait. They're not...
What are you talking about, miniguns?
Not miniguns, but like mini guns, as in smaller guns.
Oh, they're automatic. You see where it says E?
Yeah.
You can set it to shoot at planes, boats, or both. I'm about to get absolutely fucking molested by a bunch of boats.
Oh, okay, I get how this boat system works.
Oh, he's dead.
Alright, I'm starting to understand this a bit more now.
Another zone captured, we have the advantage.
Thanks for exposing your side to me from all my main battery guns to destroy you.
Hit. Alright.
Oh, we're crispy, aren't we?
Hit.
Oh, dangerously low depth. Uh-oh. We're going down. Oh, I beached myself. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna start aiming for a different ship.
It appears I beached myself like a whale.
Damn it, I can't land.
Oh no, I'm dead. There's torpedoes coming directly at me. Well, good night. Oh, I'm dead. Give me a bomber. Ashton, what are you doing? You're about to get sandwiched by 2 warships.
Oh shit!
Look at, oh my god, there's 4 of them heading to your front, 1 behind you. I'll try to come in with bombing too. Try to dodge him. Try to dodge him. I'm coming in. I'm coming in with my bomber. I'll try to give you aerial support here.
Oh, I gotta start repairs.
Is that Wendigo actual? Is he the one shooting at you currently?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm coming in 7 kilometers away. Hold still. Head steadfast. Come on, you can survive. Alright, give me a target. Which one of those 3 you want me to destroy?
Wendigo for now. He seems to be the most.
Oh, he just popped smoke. I've lost visual.
Oh, damn. He's out of the smoke now.
Oh, I have target for it. Coming in for a run.
Damn it. The amount of repair. I am in the middle of just death.
Welcome to Naval. Tell unleashed. Alright, going in for the run on Wendigo.
Yeah.
Wendigo's dead. I almost dropped my. Alright, I'm dropping it on the Litchfield.
I am on a lot of fire right now.
Target destroyed.
Like, oh my god, the amount of fire that is on my phone.
I put that out.
I wish I could.
Oh, damn, I missed all my bombs on that AGM.
You know,
I saved you from that one guy.
oh,
And you
damn,
died.
he finally got me out. Damn, how do I keep my boats alive for so long?
Semi-decent. Oh my god, I killed him.
The one thing I'm good at doing is... So, I'm guessing Q is just a way to aim my torpedoes.
Yes, the green is where your torpedo will shoot. The gray is where you want to shoot it to hit the target. Yeah, I'll be cool at night after this match.
Okay.
We'll probably be on around lunchtime tomorrow.
I do not know when or if I'll be on tomorrow.
I'm just gonna grind USSR ground. I don't feel like air. Air on USSR gets painful. They suck.
Giving this dude any breaks with the machine gun. The amount of bullets in the sky is insane.
Dude, you should see your top tier naval. You don't. Yeah, I gotta show you something after this match. I'm not getting off right after the match. I gotta show you something. You keep playing this match. I'm gonna return the hangar so I can find the boat so I can show you. I have no need to play naval right now. I did pretty good that match, so I'm gonna get forward. There's no returning home safely. Your boat just blows up. Alright. I think USA has the biggest one. I have to leave squad. Shit. I'm gonna leave squad, I guess, to try it out.
Oh my god, 179 crew members and I only took out one of them from that shot? That shot missed just a
Yeah, this boat will work.
Crew members that time. Wow, we're getting special.
Controllo dei danni per riparazione delle parti. Vuotare gli scompartimenti allagati.
Took out 12 crew members. Ow.
Let me check Italy's. What are you clicking on? Here. I'm clicking from here.
Man, it was only an assist.
I don't think I'll show you Italy's top tier boat. I'm gonna see America's. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you America's top tier boat.
Okay.
I'm gonna warn you right now, you should probably turn your headphone volume down a little bit because it will make your ears bleed.
Okay.
Tell me when you're at that match.
Yeah, I just got back now.
Alright, go to America.
For what? Boats?
Yep, blue water.
Okay. USA.
Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the blue water.
Okay.
You see the USS Arkansas?
Yes.
Right click on that and hit test sail.
Okay.
Make sure the difficulty is in realistic so you get the actual gun.
Oh, I didn't check that. I might have to go back.
I think it'll sound the same, we'll see. Alright. Look at the guns that shoot in the air on this guy. Once you load in.
My god! It already destroyed him!
Yeah. Okay, now aim your cursor to the right side of the boat and wait till all the green circles on the top are green, like fully green.
Okay.
You see the big old guns moving?
Yeah.
Wait till those are all aimed at your cursor.
Okay.
Then fire.
God.
Once all those circles are fully green, fire.
Direct hit.
Tell me once you fired that thing.
I fired it once.
Do you hear the noise that comes from that?
So much noise right now.
Have you fired the big main cannons?
No, I'm gonna shoot those next. Once the 30 seconds are up.
Look how much smoke comes out of them once they fire. third person, or are you in like the scope?
The scope. Oh my god. The amount of smoke that came out, yeah, but like the light crew.
View it in third person.
Huh?
Dude, view it in third person and then fire. You have to wait like an entire minute, but you gotta see this.
That came out of my barrels.
Fire that shit in third person.
I just did. God damn,
it's so much fucking
people.
The big guns on these ships is actually lethal. Like, these things are scary, these giant artillery guns.
Yeah. Like, my dad was on a Navy ship.
Breaks a damn smoke screen. You want to hear a really powerful one?
Sure.
Go to Russia.
Oh god.
USSR, blue water. I think it's got bigger ones.
USSR.
And then scroll to the bottom of their blue lock, and then click on the Murat, M-R-A-T. And then fire all those main guns in third person.
I see a Merit, but I don't see a Merit M-A... Oh, wait. That you just spelled it. Never mind. I'm retarded.
Yeah, M-A-R-A-T.
Okay, difficulty, realistic. God, it's got 3 different bullets?
This is the boat. Yeah, it's got a lot of shells.
I'm sorry, 5 different bullets. Wow. Jesus, this thing is big. And the
giant fucking smoke funnel in the center. You see the smoke funnel in the center?
Yeah.
Goofy little thing. This is the strongest warship in the game currently, I think. Like, gun size-wise. Huge-ass ships. Time to log off warthunder. There it is. Yeah. And Soviets don't play around with their guns. It's fucking huge. And like the top tier like research paths ones are only bigger than that. Italy I don't think has any like really big warships, but like you get those guns at some point I think. Yeah, you get one of the really big guns.
This gun on a plane.
You're gonna die. You would die.